In an examination, in a class of 60 students, 1/5 of the girls and 3/10 of the boys failed. The total number of students who failed is equal to 16. How many girls are there in the class? Some number of girls, some number of boys. 1/5 of the girls, 3/10 of the boys failed in this exam. If we added these two, totally 16 people failed in the exam. How many girls are there in the class? It's a very classic simple equation question. Let there be X girls in the class. The totally 60 students, X are girls. The remaining 60 minus X should be boys. X into 1/5, 1/5 of X plus 3/10 into 60 minus X. 3/10 of the boys is equal to 16. Solve this and we should be through. Right? X by 5 and 3/10 of something, you can take the LCM as 10. You can say 2x by 10 plus 3 into 60 minus x by 10 equals 16. So 2x plus 3 into 60, 180 minus 3x is 160. 180 minus x is 160, or x is 20. The other way of doing this is by going through the answer choices. 1/5 of the girls, the number of girls were 10, 1/5 into 10 plus 3/10 into 50. 10 girls, 50 boys. 3 into 5 is 15. 1/5 into 10 is 2. 2 plus 15 is 70. We want 16. This is wrong. This choice. 1/5 into 15 plus 3/10 into 45. 15 are girls, remaining 45 should be boys. This is 3. 3/10, this is 9/2. This is 27/2. This is not even possible. It's out. The number of boys cannot be an odd number. It has to be an even number. It has to be somewhere that 10 has to cancel. It has to be a multiple of 10. So we can eliminate this also. This 1/5 into 20, 3/5 into 40. 3/10 into 40, which is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. 1/5 into 20 is 4. 4 plus 12, 16. This works. This is called the idea of going from answer choices, eliminating some choices and going for the right one.